Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your progress report with OpenClassrooms easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your progress report with OpenClassrooms, start by logging into your OpenClassrooms account. Once logged in, navigate to your personal dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Progress section. Click on the Progress tab to access your reports. Here, you will see an overview of your completed courses and ongoing assignments. Select the specific course you want to verify. You will now see detailed information about your progress in that course. Check the percentage of completion displayed next to the course title. Review the list of completed tasks and assignments listed below. If you notice any discrepancies, click on the task for more details. Here, you can view the submission date and any feedback given. If everything looks correct, simply exit the detailed view. To download your progress report, look for the download button on the page. Click the button to save the report as a PDF file. Make sure to check your downloaded file to confirm your progress details are accurate. If you need further assistance, consider visiting. Follow these steps to effectively verify your progress report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.